658. Bombs for Josh 8. Let's get going. So in database system, within ABOMB08 top level data section, we have added the last section of graphics all the way at the bottom, and it is the graphics for the different types of explosions that can be emitted. So right down here, Fada designs, Fada standing for flames and damage, because the Fada tile can be a damage mask or an explosion animation, depending on the timestamp value in the tile. So Fada 0 is just an empty tile because it represents nothingness. And then we have a spark pin design. So Fada pin for spark pin. And this is going to be our spark explosion design. The spark that does not hurt the player, but it can ignite bombs and it can activate lasers. This is the Fada animation for the laser, and it's just a little dot, right? A little dot of highly concentrated energy, right? You gotta use your imagination here. Here's the Fada animation for the Jax bomb, the classic tendril style bomb, like the cross bombs. And then this is the explosion animation for the box bomb type explosion, the thicker rectilinear explosions that are emitted by the echo box bombs. Okay, so we're going to reuse those graphics quite a lot. So all of the spark pins, right, we have 3 spark pins. They're all going to use the pin graphic. The next thing that comes in terms of tile value, 4, 5, 6, and 7, that's laser boxes. We're going to use the laser pattern. Tiles 8, 9, 10, and 11, those are the Jax bombs. We'll use the Jax graphic for those explosions. And then 12, 13, 14, and 15 is the box bomb. So we'll use the box bomb graphic for all of these slots here. So that's all we did. That's all we did. So right down here is what we did previously, and then we have some footnotes and whatnot. We have a note on a new type of auto tiling that's never been done before that I want to try out. And then down here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation and you want to know about that new auto tiling method, go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. We just don't have time on the fast playlist right here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry game. I'm making the game and the engine.